Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the Open External Links feature on X. So links, stop opening inside the app and instead open directly in your preferred browser. This update makes your browsing faster, smoother, and more private, especially if you prefer using Chrome, Safari, or another browser for external sites. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look in the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This will open the side menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. A drop-down menu will appear now. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, you'll see several categories to help you personalize your X experience. Tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. Then select Display. This section controls how the X app appears and behaves when interacting with content such as web links, media, and themes. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Use in-app browser. This setting determines whether links you click within X open inside the app or in your default phone browser. By default, it's usually turned on, meaning external links automatically open inside X. To disable it, simply toggle off Use in-app browser. Once it's turned off, all links you open on X will load directly in your device's default web browser instead of staying within the app. This gives you a cleaner experience with your saved passwords, browser extensions, and privacy settings. That's it. You've successfully disabled the in-app browser on X. From now on, anytime you tap on a link, it will open smoothly on your external browser faster, easier, and free from the app's limitations. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with others who might want to fix the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe for more updated tutorials on managing your X app settings and improving your social media experience.